Today I want to show you how to do Wireshark capture in EVE-NG. I have EVE-NG server running at my home. I'm connected to the browser, to the Chrome browser. I have Wireshark installed on my MacBook, and I will show you how to do Wireshark capture on the interface. I will show you how to do Wireshark capture on the interface E0/1 connected to the router 5. First thing, I need to find out how I can connect to that interface. If you right click and click a capture on the router, you get the options here on which interface is currently on the router you want to do the capture on. In my case, I want to do E0/1, and if I hover over it, in left bottom corner, I do a screen grab here. Here in the left bottom corner, you can see how I connect to that interface. So now I need to open the Wireshark. So let's open a Wireshark on my MacBook. Wireshark opens and will ask you on which interface you want to do the capture. Usually you want to do capture on your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet port, but here we want to do what it's called remote capture. So if you scroll down here, you can see SSH remote capture, SSH dump. If I click on this gear icon, the option window will open. So I need to give it a remote server address, which is my EVE-NG server. So you can see it's the same address I'm connected to on a port 22 for the SSH. Now on what I want to do the capture. So it's already pre-populated with the option. I just need to give it the right number. In my case, it's 5_16. In the case you have a different number, like a 0508 or 315, you just need to change it here. In my case, it is 5_16, so that's correct. Now, authentication, you need a username and a password to log into the EVE-NG server. In my case, it's a default one on an EVE-NG server, so it's a root and EVE, and I can click a save. I can close this screen capture window, and I should be able to start a Wireshark capture now. Let's see. So I start the Wireshark capture, and we can see already some traffic on that interface. Let's see. So the device here, I'll get this away. The device here is a 5.5.5 with an IP address of 10.10.10.5, I believe. And we see some OSPF packets, which I would expect. So let's open the router and do some traffic generating to see if we can get so router 5. I'll connect to it. It's over the telnet in case of EVE-NG. So I'm on the router 5, and I wanted to capture on the interface E0/1. So I can do very quickly conf_d and interface E0/1, and if I do no shut, it will trigger the OSPF, it will trigger all ARPs and everything, and we can see the traffic is already here generating. We have some OSPF net. If I do a stop now here, we can see some OSPF updates, descriptions, we can see some ARPs, again OSPF hello packets, some ARP requests, CDP, neighborship, and this is how you do Wireshark capture on an EVE-NG. It's very simple, and it's very handy tool if you want to do some deep investigation how the networking protocol works or how the certain stuff behaves on the networking device. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.